Mother's Day is around the corner, and for this year, we are celebrating it with some pampering treats for our dearest mummies. So come follow me as I share more details with you guys. I'm here in Momley Loft today. Momley Loft offers curated health and wellness programs that comes with staycations and even retreats away from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's perfect for young families, couples, and even new parents. With traditional Asian wellness practices and modern techniques, it also provides non-postpartum services like wellness massage and accommodation for young families and couples seeking a deluxe, serene getaway. Today, we invite you to celebrate this Mother's Day with a song that is specially composed by Chris Tong. It's our first original Madam Partum song. It's a mother's haven. All you have to do is to use this original song to create a short video or photo collage that you feel best represents Mother's Day. Remember to put on the specific hashtag to notify us of your entry to stand a chance to win the grand prize, a 3-day, 2-night staycation at Momley Loft with massage and daily nourishing soups from Madam Partum. Come, let me show you how lovely this place is. Follow me. This room is designed by Momley to provide a spacious area for recuperation and wellness. There is a living room, a dining space, a balcony, and a bedroom. All these spaces are designed to allow you to be relaxed and well-rested during your stay. For you, you can enjoy the greenery just outside the window or take this opportunity to have some quality time with a loved one over a cup of tea. There are also other outdoor activities available for you, like cycling along Pasir Ris Beach or a walk along the mangrove boardwalk. You can even have our wellness massage here. So now I'm gonna have my session.